Don't be suspicious. Don't be suspicious. Don't be suspicious. Don't be suspicious. Don't be suspicious.
What time is it? Whatever. I'm just gonna go and check my base. And guys, by the way, hey sunflowers, I do not know what to do right now, but I'm gonna go check my base. And also I changed myself because I was bored. How is my money running low?
Oh my god, zombie!
Ike.
You're not supposed to be here. I mean, gotta go. Bye.
She just fell off the world. Wow, that's amazing. Okay, I'm just gonna build and leave her alone because she's crazy and weird.
I'm back.
Oh well. What are we gonna build?
Delete my lamp.
I delete it. Where do we build? Like, what do we build? Ike, what are we doing?
I am doing my own style. I work for Louis Vuitton now.
What?
Yeah.
You didn't tell me you work for
Louis Vuitton. Yeah.
My butt.
I can't move. Oh, now I could.
Just gonna feed my. Where did my bunny go? By the way, guys, I'm trying to make a neon bunny.
She's stupid.
How dare you call me stupid?
But you are though.
Whatever. So, guys, do you like my new base? Cause like I'm not done, and I just do this. Oh gosh. Ike, why are we doing these things? Okay.
Stop deleting my stuff.
I am not deleting your stuff.
Can you stop deleting my stuff? It's not cool, man. Not cool.
I didn't delete. Why is it so light? Oh, wow.
Since you all have stupid lamps, I'm gonna have... Why would you do it like that? It's supposed to be yellow.
It's yours. It's on your side and it's not my side.
See, this is Stacy's. This is Taylor's. This is
yours. I'm the funniest girl in the world. No one can ever beat me.
Can you please stop? I'm gonna cry.
I don't want these lamps.
I don't want it either.
You just gave everyone these stupid lamps and you're just gonna get a good lamp?
Yes.
Wow. Okay, let's see. Let's search lamps and see what lamps should we get. How about this or this expensive lamp? Oh. Why did you put a bread?
Delete the bread.
You put it and you can't delete it.
Please, you delete.
How many breads did you put? Ike, what the heck? Guys, what is this? Oh my gosh. Ike, stop it or else I'm gonna kick you out of my house.
Please do not kick me out.
Then stop it. Oh my gosh.
I'm deleting
Thank you!
Don't you want bread?
No, I don't.
Take it.
I don't want any of your breads. Hi.
Teresa!
What?
You're Snow White and I'm the evil queen. I have an apple for you.
Again? Can you stop it? You know what? I have enough.
Please do not kick me out. You know what? You know what, sister? Since you want to kick me out, I'm leaving and watching your YouTube videos.
I didn't even kick her out. I removed her out of this.
Whatever. It still counts as kicking out. So now I'm gonna watch your YouTube video and watch you suffer. Without me.
So guys,
One job held with Taylor. That's so mean. What about me?
guys, if you heard that, that's my new. That's my this video after. So.
She's not even pretty. She's not thick like me.
Oh my gosh.
I didn't do a video for a while. And I have a guest called the name. She is not a guest. She's a stupid mole rat.
Mole rat.
By the way, check out my new video where I call Teresa a mole rat.
Don't you dare.
We also watched an Annabella movie and she got scared, even though Annabella was dancing.
I'm still scared, okay?
Hi, I haven't done with my intro. The name is called Kayla. So, I have to go. You build yourself. Bye-bye.
Okay. So, she's gone. So today, oh gosh, not again. Not again. Not again. This time I'm gonna try. Oh my gosh. Thank you. So, we are gonna build the squats rooms. So I don't really know what should I build. Oh, ignore that. Achoo. So, Ike could be there. So, Stacy's could be there. Oh gosh. Kayla's could be here. Maybe somewhere like there. Mine could be here. Okay, so I had a plan like doing for the background thing. So guys, so I'm gonna put like tables for each of us. I don't even know how to spell table. Okay, so my videos are pretty getting boring here, so I'm sorry of that, but I tried my best making you guys happy for my videos. Okay, how about this stylish table? You can't color it. Nope. Get out. I don't know what table should I get. How about this cheap table? Nope. No coloring, no flying. How about this modern table? Can this color? Nope. Guys, why can't these tables color? You Fessy, can't you just make the tables color? Finally, this one is colored. Oh, and it's big and huge. But I am not gonna care because this is not. Actually, it's kind of ugly. I don't want it. I'm picky, so how about this modern lounge one? This looks cute. Yeah, I'm gonna pick this. Take this, I mean. Okay, this is okay, and it's morning. Let's do chairs. What type of chairs should we have? There's quite many chairs. How about this heart chair? This looks cute. Also in my boba tea shop, I have these heart chairs. It's so yellow. Okay guys, I'll be right back when I'm done with putting everything like these things. So yeah. So guys, I am done with everything, so let's just give you a tour. This is the front. Oh gosh, not again. Be right back. So guys, this is the entrance, the door, and then like this is everyone's. I also changed the table because it was ugly, and I also did like a donut crib because it was cute, and I put everyone's laptop. So yeah, that is it. And also a sitting view. You guys probably already see that, but it's okay. And I'm just gonna, oh gosh, I'm just gonna take out this budget because I am getting poor. And I do not want to get poor. Okay, now I have money. So I'm gonna have to stop here. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and make sure to hit that like, subscribe, turn on the post notification, and yeah, bye guys. I mean, bye sunflowers.